Good morning. I thought it might be easiest to answer your email with this video. So this is my homepage on Canvas, and you have a to-do list over here. These are just announcements that I make, and then these are assignments that are coming up or haven't been turned in yet. And then I have ways to contact me here. In addition to email and Canvas messages, we just started Google Meet appointments instead of office hours, and there's signups available here. And then my lesson agenda for every day is right underneath that yellow announcement box. So I have the most recent day on top every time, and then I link it to the page that you need for the lesson. Yesterday didn't have a lesson, it was just catch up on missing work. I'm trying to have one of those every week or so, week and a half, since I know that everything's kind of crazy for everyone. Uh, and and then it was just read from your book project novel. And then on Friday, the link to the assignment is right here by Friday's agenda. So if you click on it, it should take you to the page you need in modules. And this just was an overview of the book project, and the assignment was to spend at least 15 minutes reading your book project novel. And then if you wanted to get a head start, it had the details on that, on the book project. And if I go back to home, today's assignment is right here. It's a breakout activity that is meant to take today through Thursday, or you can do it all in one sitting. It should take about an hour if you do it in one sitting. If you don't do it in one sitting, you'll have to write down your answers on a paper so you can redo the form. Since it won't submit until you're completed, I have tips down here. The links to the lesson are here. And then you can always go to modules too. And I reorganize the modules by week. So starting with the first week of online learning, and then we have all the essay details, and then fourth quarter week 1, fourth quarter week 2, and then this week. And so everything we do each week, I've been putting in order in these modules as well.